Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In this screencast, we will be sharing with you how to create a Spotify themed photo effect, which is commonly used across Spotify's photo campaigns. So we want to start off by selecting a gradient map, and we want to change the gradient map color by double clicking on the current one to be a dark blue, the first initial color. So select 0B, 02, 5F as the first initial color. Select OK, and then we want to change the last slider to be a dark green. So we're going to select 42, B, 05, C, and select the OK button. Then select OK, and then that's created that Spotify green themed effect. What we can do from there is we can select the type tool and we can just write out some text. So we'll go with Spotify. And what we can do now is select a layer mask, and we can grab the eraser tool. And what we're going to do is to select a circle and turn down the hardness as low as possible. And then what we're going to do from here is we're just going to remove the text which is overlaying over the image by just erasing it, just to give that effect that the image is in front of the text, to give that perception. There you go, that's how you create a Spotify themed effect in a matter of seconds. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for further quick tips on how to use Photoshop.